Some areas are seeing a little bit of relief from the intense heat and humidity that we've been dealing with. I'm meteorologist Leah Hill in St. Louis. That relief more so out in western Missouri, where the impacts from heat are in the minor category for today. So this heat risk map, it takes into account the temperatures, how long the stretch of heat is, how unusual is it for this time of year, and basically highlights the zones where you are more susceptible to those heat risks and the impacts and heat-related illnesses. A little bit better conditions off to the west. To the east, however, slightly different story, as around St. Louis, we are still in the moderate to major category for Friday the 27th, and we're also watching for heat-related impacts into the weekend as well. So please be careful if you're in these zones. More improvement comes Saturday as we have a little bit of cloud cover and some rain chances, but still, even with that, we're in the orange category. That is the moderate zone, and there are a couple places around the metro that are in the major zone. Couple things to keep in mind. Let's look at the temperatures between the 27th and July 2nd. Still hot. Temperatures in the 90s, and at times the heat index may top 99 degrees, reaching that point. It gets a little bit better as we head into early July. Those temperatures and the humidity, in fact, beginning to come back down a little bit. These are more typical summer-like temperatures. The stretch that we just went through, that's hotter than what is normal for our summers here. Of course, we still get these hot stretches, but in terms of the degree of it, how long we have those stretches, that's a little bit more unusual. So certainly going to enjoy a little bit of improvement that's heading our way in the 10-day forecast. I do want to show you the muggy meter into the weekend. We are still in that miserable category. The dew point temperature is in the 70s. That tells you how much moisture is in the air. When it's in the 70s, it feels miserable. The heat index around 99 degrees through the weekend, but relief, as I just showed you, it's heading our way as we approach early July, where the humidity is coming down ever so slightly and the temperatures are returning to near normal levels.